Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download your Replit Agent app as a zip file. First, log into your Replit account. Once inside the dashboard, go to Apps, then select the app that you want to download as zip. Now, once in, you can see here your files. So, beside the file name, just go ahead and click on the three dots. Then, from the options, select Download as zip. From here, just wait for it to be downloaded to your device. Now, once downloaded, you can go ahead and access it. And that's just basically it. That's how you download your Replit app as a zip file. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.